Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna talk about how to set up the Panda wireless adapter, which supports monitoring mode and injection, so it's good to learn hacking with. If you want to skip to the setup right away, go to this timestamp in the screen. Otherwise, you're gonna just hear me rant about the adapters and why did I choose this one. At first I wanted to choose the TP-Link. This was the model, but it has to be version 1. Otherwise, it will not be supporting the monitor and injection mode. This one right here, this listing, I thought it would work, and I was about to order it. But reading the comments, I realized that it's actually version 3.2 or something like that. It's not really the version 1. So version 1, sadly, is a collector item. I could not find it anywhere. I contacted so many sellers, and yeah, no one really knows about it. You know, it's exotic right now. So the second option was the alpha, specifically this model. Okay, this is the one that you need, but this one is straight up banned in my country, so we're gonna have to skip it. The last option is the Panda wireless adapter PAU09. This one is perfect, and you're gonna see later that it supports monitor and injection mode. So let's see how it goes. So now let's talk about the driver itself. The adapter comes with a CD, and so you have the documents inside it. This is the directory that we are interested in. Let's go there, CD Panda, and let's check what we have. So you have like some files here, but you have the driver. Let's go to the driver, ls, and let's go to Linux, which is our target. ls again. So you have this tarball, I extracted it already, and you have instructions. Okay, now let's see. So at first it tells you like it's for Fedora, so contact Panda wireless if you are running other, which I find odd, but anyways, they are using yum here, which I find odd, but that's okay. There are some instructions, so I did apply them already. You have the blacklist, you add append this to this file, whatever, which already exists. I didn't have to create it. You also need to extract the tarball, and you have this right here, and you need to copy it, okay, this file, okay, and you need to copy to this location. I followed the instructions to T, and then I made this directory. Then it asks you to compile the driver from source. It asks you again to extract it. This version is much older than the one that we have in the CD, but that's okay. I followed it anyways, and the make failed. So the make failed, and everything below like didn't work. I checked on the internet and found an updated instructions manual from the same site, from the Panda, and it did include the newer Linux driver, the version here, okay? But still it also didn't work. After some digging, I just figured out that it works. Literally, the Panda adapter works from source, or like on Fedora without any special setup. And I'm gonna show you next how we can use it right away. Okay, so now we are gonna take a look into how to actually use the Panda PAU. So I prepared this cheat sheet for myself. I'm gonna show you. First, let's start with actually viewing the interfaces that we have. IP link show. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have the loopback interface. We have another one and another one. Okay, and but where is our Panda? Where is it? So I'm gonna just try to connect it one more time and see how it goes. Let's try again the command. There you go. There it is. It has this long name. Okay, and I don't like that honestly, so I prepared these commands like to rename it. I'm just gonna use the temporary one, copy. So the command is sudo ip link set, and then you have the name and then Panda, or whatever name you like. In my case it's just that name, so I'm just gonna clear it up. Paste. Of course, why not? Okay, so now let's see. There you go. Now we have a much more user-friendly name. Now what matters is the monitor mode. Okay, so the commands are very straightforward. So first we have to set the monitor mode. First we turn off the adapter, then change the mode to monitor, and then power it back up. To revert, the mode would be managed. Okay, so let's do it. So we have the first command, paste. I'm gonna just turn it on. Turn it down. Copy. Let's see if it works. Now we're gonna make it monitor, and then we just gonna change it from down to up. Okay, let's check on the interface status and see how it goes. There you go. So now we are no longer seeing the down for our adapter. Now let's verify, did it actually work or not? So you have this command, iwdev, and then the name of the adapter and info. We should see type monitor, otherwise it's failing. And there you go, there it is. Okay. Next we have injection support. So for injection support you need to install aircrack-ng. This is the one that I followed from the tutorial. And then this is the command. Let's try it. Of course all the commands are in the cheat sheet which I'm gonna share in the video description, so you don't need to worry. Let's see. Now remember, I named it as Panda because it's much easier for me. Let's see if it works. So it's gonna do whatever, and there you go. Injection is working. And it does more stuff. I probably shouldn't really care about it, but nonetheless, just know that it exists. So right now we have confirmed that monitoring is working and packet injection is working. Therefore, our adapter is ready to test and to hack with. So this was the video for today. Thank you so much for your time and have a lovely day.